Hello, welcome to another podcast with Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another talk on money, business, and investing. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and brand here at Master Investor. Make sure to click the link in the description to join our digital course and ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. We have 3 ebooks out right now on stores. You can also find them on Amazon. The 10 New Rules of Money, the one I just gave you, and How to Invest in Crypto to Build Wealth. Today, we're going to be speaking about the fundamentals of building passive income online. Remember that rule number 1 of our community here at Master Investor is that we work to build passive income and true wealth, right? And we work to build passive income and make money work hard through sound investing. Okay, that's rule number 1. And the reason why that is because the ultra wealthy, that's what they do. So we need to mimic exactly what they do so that we can have the results and win in regards to money, right? So we need to play with the new rules of money. That's why we created the ebook, the 10 New Rules of Money, because we found out that a lot of people are still playing with the old rules of money. The old rules of money do not work in this economy, okay? Because the money has evolved and it will always evolve. So we need to adapt and change with the economy. We need to understand the changes in the laws that has happened in the past years, and we need to understand a history about money so that we can have a better grasp on business and investing. The more we talk about money, the better we're going to do our business and investing, okay? And that is a fact. It's not opinions. Repetition makes improvement. It's not really perfection, right? We can always improve. There's always room to become a little better, and that's why we always have a motto here at Master Investor, is that we go to sleep smarter than we were yesterday. So start investing in your financial education. Take control over your finances. We will never tell you where to invest your money. That's up to you. You're going to decide how you're going to multiply your money. And also, as a true leader, we need to multiply others, right? We need to extract and expand on others' talents. We need to learn how to bring the best out of them. We need to be a leader that multiplies people and multiplies money, because we have the Midas touch. We understand how to read financial statements. We have the fundamentals of a wealthy individual. We have the core values of a master investor. And of course, we know when we are a master investor because we will have the 3 E's. Number 1, financial education. Number 2, financial experience. And number 3, excess of cash flow. Inside of our ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, you will learn about the cash flow circle, different players that exist in the game of money. You will also learn about the cash flow triangle, the cash flow system, the different categories of investors, the different levels of investors, the different controls of a master investor, the different types of income, good debt versus bad debt, assets versus liabilities. You will understand how to read financial statements and how to create landing pages, how to put sales funnels together, how to put all the systems together so that we can start launching our first digital business and create $1 million positive cash flow business by creating something that people want, creating a need, right? People have a problem and we're solving that need. We found a need and we fill it with a product. It doesn't have to be our product that we created. It could be somebody else's product, because we can do affiliate marketing, network marketing. There are many ways we can create passive income online. So let me dive into today's talk on the topic. Today's March 8th, 2024, Mastering the Art of Acquiring Cash Flow and Assets. Today's golden rule: money is a currency and it must move from asset to maintain its value. Since money today is created with debt, after 1971, President Nixon separated the gold standard from the US dollar. From that point forward, money became monopoly money, fiat money, paper money, and just an idea backed up by confidence. Money is created with debt. That's why debt is tax-free legally. So we need to utilize debt as an advantage to become wealthy, and continue to use debt to buy liabilities if we want. But first, we're going to invest debt into our asset column before we use it to buy liabilities. And if you already have bad debt, then the first thing you need to focus on is on the asset column. So put all your energy on the asset column so that you can begin to create the income that will cover for all your expenses and all your debt The bad debt and your liabilities will be covered as well, because we have a strong asset column that is producing passive income and capital gains income. Today's title is Unveiling the Fundamentals of Building Passive Income Online Through Investing. In an era where financial independence and flexibility are increasingly sought after, the concept of generating passive income online has gained significant traction. Leveraging the power of the internet, individuals could create streams of income that continue to flow with minimal effort and time investment. In today's talk, we will delve into the fundamentals of building passive income online through investing and explore strategies to help us embark on this journey towards financial freedom and total freedom. Number one, understanding passive income. Passive income refers to earnings derived from sources in which an individual is not actively involved in day-to-day operations. Passive income is built on the right side of the cash flow circle, where we find the business owner and the inside investor. In the business owner, we control and own systems, and we make money even when we're not working. And then the inside investor or master investor, we make money, work hard through sound investing. We compound that asset column with more assets. So as we get more revenue from our assets, we direct it back into our asset column so that we can recycle that money and create more infinite return on investment. That's when we recoup the investment back that we initially put into the deal, if we put any of our money into the deal to begin with, and we will recoup that money back, and we will continue to control the asset. And if there's any debt, we will continue to control the debt, and we will continue to collect passive income. So that's infinite return on investment when we have no money of our own invested into the deal, but yeah, we still control the entire deal and collect the passive income, the bottom line of the revenue of that business. Okay, so that will be considered good debt, because debt is getting paid on its own. The interest and everything is being paid on its own, and it's also paying us every single month. Every time we make a payment to the bank, we also make a payment to ourselves, because whatever is left is our positive cash flow. So good debt goes hand to hand with assets, and bad debt goes hand to hand with liabilities. We never tell people to live below your means. We always encourage everyone to live above our means and expand our asset column. It's all about expand our expenses. Not all expenses are bad. There are great expenses like financial education, investing. Those expenses are really good. And anything that we ever want, we can have for free, as long as we create an asset that will pay for that, and we can have it over and over again. So understanding the business principles to create passive income is something that we should all be interested in listening to and pay attention, because it's going to help us have what we want in life. And we get what we want because we are who we are. So who are we today, and what type of people are we becoming? Who are we listening to? What are we reading? Every day counts. Don't take a day for granted. Even if you're still young and you're coming up, don't take your young age for granted, okay? Because time moves, time goes, everything changes, everything is growing, everything is evolving, and if the more focused we are from early on, the better. We have more leverage, more longevity, and if you're already an elderly person, then it's okay, just start right now. It's never too late to start, right? Unlike active income, which requires continuous time and effort, passive income streams generate revenue with minimal ongoing involvement. Examples of passive income sources include rental properties, dividend-paying stocks. We also have a strategy inside of our ebook where we show you how to create passive income with stocks. So make sure to get the ebook. Click the link in the description of this audio. And if you're watching this on a live stream, then make sure you click the link in the description. Interest from investing accounts, royalty from intellectual property, and income generated from online businesses and other types of businesses. There are 5 different asset classes that we can create income from regarding investing income. 2 types of income that comes from investing: capital gains income and passive income. Number 2, investing in income producing assets. One of the most effective ways to build passive income online is by investing in income producing assets. These assets generate regular cash flow, allowing us to earn money on a recurring basis without actively managing them. Common examples of income producing assets include dividend paying stocks, real estate, peer-to-peer lending platforms. I mean, even domain names, because now you can sell a domain name that is a really good domain name for somebody that appreciates that domain name because they're creating a brand with that name. And maybe they will pay you $10,000, $20,000, whatever. There are domains that sell for $100,000 and more. It depends on what type of name you got, how good it is. So you can invest in domain names and then have a payment plan. Some assets will only be assets for 10 years, for 5 years, for 3 months. But we will know ahead of time, even before we get into the asset, even before we invest, take possession of the asset, we know exactly how much that asset is going to bring us, when is it going to bring us the money, and how long is it going to be in our lives for. Okay, what is the lifespan of that asset? So maybe a domain name will bring us 3 years of wealth because that domain name is bringing us this much per month, because it's going to be sold to somebody that's going to pay, and it's going to be broken down in entire 3 years. So there are many ways we can create passive income. Let's use our minds, be creative. Okay, only lazy people uses their own money to invest. We got to learn how to raise capital. That's the job number one of an entrepreneur, to raise capital. And the number one skill is to learn how to sell without selling, using systems. Okay, number 3, diversification and risk management. Diversification is key to building a resilient portfolio of passive income generating assets. By spreading our investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions, we can mitigate risk and minimize the impact of market volatility on our overall portfolio. Additionally, consider the risk-return trade-off of each investment opportunity to ensure that it aligns with our risk tolerance and investment objectives. There are 5 different asset classes that exist, like I mentioned. Number 1, real estate. Number 2, business. Number 3, crypto. Number 4, paper assets. Number 5, commodities. They all require financial education. Here in Salvar community at Master Investor, we deliver products on all of those asset classes. So feel free to go to our website, click the link in the description, and then take a look at whatever you need, so that you can start building your asset column and increase your bottom line, your passive income. Number 4, harnessing the power of dividend investing. Dividend investing involves purchasing stocks of companies that regularly distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders in the form of dividends. Dividend paying stocks can provide a steady stream of passive income, allowing investors to benefit from both capital appreciation and regular dividend payments. Look for companies with a history of consistent dividend growth, strong financial fundamentals, and sustainable payout ratios. Number 5, and remember, here at Master Investor, we encourage you to do it yourself. So whatever you learn, you gotta apply. And so if you want to invest in the stocks, then you do it yourself. Don't give the money to anybody else or to a company to invest it for you. We're gonna build our asset column ourselves. And even if it's a small product, even if it's a digital product, it doesn't matter. We're gonna build it ourselves. We're gonna start small. It is better to start like that and be able to control your entire asset column and your assets, and be able to build the lifestyle that you want. $1 million per year on cash flow is $2,755 per day on passive income that we need to create. So we can do that with high ticket items. We can do that with low ticket items as well. We can bring in 10, 20 sales a day easily. I show you how to do it using advertising, organic traffic, doing live streams, doing webinars online. We have forums full of groups of people listening to other people, giving suggestions. People have problems. We just have to solve their problems, provide good content, be authentic. People want to do business with people that they like, trust, and know. So building a personal brand, building a brand out of our business is important. It's key to building wealth in this new age. In the next 10 years, people are going to want to be doing business with people that they trust, they like, and they know. Today, more than ever, because we have social media, so people take a look at us closely. So reputation matters tremendously, even more so today. Okay, let me see here. Look for companies where, okay. Number 5, exploring online business opportunities. In addition to traditional investment vehicles, online businesses offer lucrative opportunities to generate passive income, from e-commerce stores and affiliate marketing websites to digital products and online courses. There are countless ways to monetize our expertise and interest online. While building a successful online business may require upfront time and effort, it can eventually evolve into a passive income stream that generates revenue on autopilot. Number 6, automating and outsourcing tasks. To truly achieve passive income status, it is essential to automate and outsource as many tasks as possible. Embrace technology and leverage tools and systems to streamline processes, automate repetitive tasks, and optimize efficiency. Consider outsourcing non-core activities such as content creation, customer support, and administrative tasks to freelancer or virtual assistants, freeing up our time to focus on higher value activities or explore new income opportunities. Number 7, continuously monitor and optimize. Building passive income online is not a set it and forget it endeavor. It requires ongoing monitor and optimization. In other words, we're not working in our businesses or in our assets, but we are working on our assets, on our businesses. It's a big difference. We're overseeing the operation and we're making decisions to improve those assets. And then we're putting people in place, we delegate tasks, we have systems, because a true business is a system of systems. Regularly review our investments, track our income streams, and assess their performance relative to our goals. Adjust as necessary to maximize returns, minimize expenses, or minimize bad expenses, I should say, but it's not about minimizing, it's actually expanding our expense column, so expand good expenses, right? And ensure the sustainability of our passive income sources over the long term. In conclusion, building passive income online through investing requires a combination of understanding passive income principles, investing in income producing assets, diversifying our portfolio among the 5 different asset classes that exist, harnessing the power of dividend investing, exploring online business opportunities, automating and outsourcing tasks, and continuously monitoring and optimizing our income streams. By adopting a strategic approach and committing to consistent effort and learning, we can create multiple streams of passive income that pave the way towards financial independence and total freedom. If you enjoyed today's talk, let me know in the comment section below. Any questions, any feedback, it's highly appreciated. I also want to thank you for the time that you are investing today with me and learning more about financial education and how we can become wealthier using the new rules of money and everything that we have in front of us today. I'll talk to you in the next podcast. I appreciate your business, and make sure you click the link in the description to join our digital course and ebook. Stay extraordinary and wealthy, bringing the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Bye for now.